Tinalo ng De La Salle Green Archers ang PBA team na Converge Fiber Xers. Walang import at Justin Baltazar itong Converge, pero nauwi ito sa magandang laban hanggang sa dulo. Sa kabilang banda, hindi naglaro itong si Alex Konov nang dahil sa kanyang sprain ay hindi ito babalik ngayong tournament. Pero gayunpaman, malakas pa rin ang La Salle.
Wins hits a 3-point shot. That's Eli Golyena, launches for 3. Knocks it on the run. Eli Golyena on the touchdown for 2. Maliliksik kumbaga. Shawnee Winston down in the paint. His first field points on 5 of 7 from the field. Rubico on the free throw line. Nice setup to Raven Cortez. Goes on the reverse. We're down to 2 on the shot clock though. Rubico has to fire and hits at the end of the first quarter.
Fuels them to make this huge comeback.
As Amos hits a 3-point shot, make that 5 points in the first half for Mason Amos. Stockton. And a strip by Phillips. Phillips on the point, on the way. Oh! Woo! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips. Check the rim, Ray. It is hatid sa inyo ng The Royal Monday Hotel, and there's that athletic jam. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second 3.
9 points.
Sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
The change of pace.
And the UAP, Golyena hits another 3 for the De La Salle. Here's the huddle of Kevin Cambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First basket in the second quarter. 4-on-3 fast break. Cambao sets up to Cortez, and the second chance is good.
The dip.
Santos. 4 to shoot though for JL De Los Santos. Are they aware of it? Ryan Santos at the buzzer, and he goes. Yeah. Arana, babangga sa ilalim. Another hook shot.
Game, itong si Oslen.
For sure. He's trying to entertain the crowd dito po sa Davao City. Bodies on the floor on their winning campaign against the UP Fighting Maroons. Itong si Justin Arana. Since Makalalag sets up Cambao for 3.
That time, no?
That was a wide open shot for as Stockton draws the foul. Executed into perfection.
Correct.
Bonus shot coming up for Alex Stockton. And he converts the highlight play. Not a good idea. Phillips now against Ryan Santos. One-on-one. Goes to the cup. Draws the shot is good. Stage of games. For Converge. Phillips on the run. Phillips. Oh my! Foul! So they don't have to commit another silly foul. You're the white shirts. Golyena. Open 3. Got it to go! 54 to 50 for Converge. Another fast break opportunity. Cambao, no look to Phillips! Nangangapi sa air.
Oh, okay. Layup na lang.
Oo. No? That's right. So Mike misses the layup. Another fast break for La Salle, and Ethan Alian goes for 2. Look at Nakalalag trying to go on the getaway. Cambao, hop step to the cup.
Oh.
Former La Salle player, and here comes DJ Andrade for 3. 7-point game in favor of the De La Salle Green Archers. Cambao, balikang Austria with 14 to shoot. We're approaching a minute remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Luis Pablo to the cup. A basket for the youngster, Luis Pablo. To work against Magdeburg, down to 2 seconds. Launches, got it! Buzzer! JC Makalalag. Big for a buzzer at the against Phoenix, ano?
Correct. Oh.
That was swatted away by Michael Phillips. Cambao. Back to Phillips!
Baby!
Woo! What a play between the 2 frontcourt players. Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and 1.
Save 2 points, Ray.
Oh, here's that replay update sa inyo, Bao. No look pass to Phillips for that poster jam. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for 3. Knocks it down. 4-point game.
Kitang-kita.
Right on cue. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores! Another basket for Justin Arana, and
terms of scoring.
On the hands of Michael Phillips. Poposting ngayon. Kontra ang Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's good.
Great.
Santos. Extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go. 1 point game. Looking for the big basket to take the lead for Converge. Stockton. Big bola. And a Badam. Loose ball. Kaninong bola? And a held ball. Lindenberg and Abadam jump it up. Shawnee turns, shoots, foul! Makalalag, bibigay kang Amos. Abadam for 3. Oh! Was fouled! On a broadcasting table, there it is. We have a great veteran referees sa ngayon. For Earl Abadam, as their first win sa ating tournament. Meron tayong 8,000 nanonood sa ating live team. Amos almost a strip. Makalalag, able to recover. And gets the basket to go. Balik ang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin. Wow! Gets the basket to go. Steal. Mula sa Davao City Sports Development Division. And the throwdown for Justin Arana. Kontra kang Michael Phillips. Inside. Another players for the converse time. 1 for 2 from the line. Back up. Looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. 3-pointers good.
Big shot from the big guy.
Astria fakes. Balik. Looking for the open shot. Phillips looks at the clock. He'll launch. He'll fire. Wala. Or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Johnny wide open.
All the way.
Oh,
Blocked by Phillips.
Rejected.
And here comes the sound of fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria.
Was solid screen.
Oh! By Campbell! But wait a minute, a foul called.
Access denied from KQ.
Oh my goodness! And the crowd has fired up late on a Friday night dito sa University of South Gymnasium. I thought that was a block, but there's that last replay. Take a look at Solo. Almost, pero merong kon. And there's that last replay. Take a look at Solo. Boom. And that was an athletic rejection almost, pero merong. And the shot is good. Masagot ngayon na Solo as Winston shot. No! And rebound by Phillips. It's a 3-point lead still. 1 possession game. Converge applying trap. On the backcourt, Phillips able to break through. Kicks it out. Tungo hesitates. And Campbell almost slipped. Abada, big shot. Backbreaker. Dagger shot. And a rebound by LaSalle. Here comes Campbell for the layup. Yes.
Pumasok.
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3. No. Tournament 2024. Final score, De La